Hey guys, John from John's DIY Playground. I want to talk briefly today about printing ABS on an Ender 5 Plus. This has the glass top that comes with it stock, and I was having issues. I never have any issues with PLA, but I first tried printing ABS on here, and it was really lifting off the edges. In general, having problems with stiction. You can see there it was starting to not stick to the plate. So what it is, I removed the plate and I tried the build surface from Overture. And these build surfaces come with, when you buy a roll of filament from Overture, it's part of a free included thing, and it has a sticky back to it. And I was a little concerned on my Ender 5 about sticking this thing down there if it would come back off. So I'm happy to report that after printing, it was really good stiction. I had no problems with lifting or anything like that afterwards. And once I let the bed cool down completely, you can just take your scraper and get under the corner, and it'll come right off. And when it comes off, it doesn't leave any kind of residue. So really happy with using the Overture build surface for ABS. I'll be going back to the glass though for anything PLA. What's been your experiences? Leave me a thought or your comments below, and please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And remember to subscribe for when new videos come out. This is John from John's DIY Playground. Have a great day.